Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I do have my good friend
Linda.
And Linda, where are we going?
To Bubble Planet. So we're going to live our childhood experience over there.
Yes, and Linda is my childhood friend. So today we're going to live our childhood experience. Right?
I'm excited, are you?
I am also excited. So guys, let's go on this ride. Quite unfortunately, we could not have access to the first experience, which are these hanging bags up there.
Guys, we're going to have a fun time. Woo!
This was the second experience with a full 360 room with this beautiful immersive art experience. The next was the balloon experience. I must say these balloons were very durable because I could step on them and it will not burst. This was our favorite spot of the exhibition. It's a huge room with bean bags and gives you the opportunity to listen to some bubbly sound and relax. Linda and I took a moment to just relax and enjoy the artwork. With this room, I would say is definitely what most kids will love. But as an adult, I did have my dose of fun. And Linda discovered this beautiful room with digital viewing experience with balloons in the ceiling. Another favorite room for us. Beautiful area to do some videos. And there are also games room of which you get to try your hands on. So guys, this is the final experience. This is a virtual reality experience, and you get to enjoy some underwater, fantasy land, and a whole lot of stuff to enjoy. So Linda, we are done with our experience today. How do you like it?
The experience was great, perfect. I loved every bit of it. They had so many areas. They had the balloon area, the bowls area, a relaxation area, and then there was this 3D area which I enjoyed so much. I've not had that experience before, so it was the perfect time and the perfect place to have it. And I'm child free today. I'm planning on bringing my kids, so you can imagine.
Yeah, it's family oriented.
Yeah, it's family oriented. So many kids, they're even babies. So this is the best place for you and your family to go and then have the best experience of your life. I have really enjoyed it.
And it has this immersive art experience that guys you will enjoy. So guys, remember to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section. It's nice to be important, but very, very important to be nice.
Yes.
So from us, we say bye.